Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to the Stock Market Show. Welcome to the Low Float Bottom Series. This is the series where we focus on stocks that have an established bottom, a pattern that we can abuse by buying it nice and cheap at the bottom, then selling it when it goes up, right? Buy low, sell high, very classic play. And the fact that it's a low float means that it can move dollars on a catalyst. But on its own, it'll move up just a little bit. But we can take advantage of this low float because when it does run, it moves hundreds of percentages, and that's how you're able to capture those big gains before they run. You got to buy them when no one wants them. That's the specialty here is the low float aspect. The fact that it doesn't take that much volume for it to just explode. That's where the big bucks are made. Have you ever looked at a stock and wondered how did they get in those before it ran? From a low of 164 to 428. Look at this gap and huge run. How? You buy when no one wants it, and you gotta sit on it, even if it's in the red 30%. Like I said, if it can go up real fast a lot, it can also drop real fast a lot. So that's kind of these are like the maximum risk kind of plays. But if there's an established pattern bottom, we can abuse that. This came down right here to the bottom of this range on AIMD, and we flipped it and made our money. I would look for this to come back down nice and cheap into the under 50 range. Buy under 50, have a stop loss at 0.39 if you want, and then hold it for the next pump. This can move 50 to 100% on a big massive catalyst. It can go to dollars. So AIMD, that is the play to watch for. I've always done these kinds of plays in the Discord, but I normally don't jump into them, but I did jump into this one because I really like the setup. It's an AI play, AI sector. Anything in that sector is just going to pump anyways once the hype comes in. And here we go. So wait for it to come down nice and cheap. Every time you've been patient, you were rewarded with buying it nice and cheap down here, and you can sell it to the suckers that chase. And even if it goes to $1, don't worry. This time it went to $1 here, came right back down. Went to 94 cents, came right back down. Went to 66 cents, came right back down. So it always comes back down. Take advantage of the pattern and you will make money.